Today is the 30th of December 2020 and we are in Sampola, one of the most well-known suburbs of Pori, Finland. This is Annikintie 16 Stekesei. This elevator was added in 1999. The serial number is B1KE2600 and the capacity is 5 persons of 400 grams and it's got only 4 floors.
Annikintie 16 Sampolassa Porissa toi
And we expect it in the next year, 2021.
Aapuros.
These folding doors are a bit unnecessary. Rotarolik.
Valmistettu vuonna 1999. Saruna on B1KE2600, 5 henkilöä tänään 100 kilogrammaa.
It's turned 20 years old last year, 2019. This is just saying that when you are riding the elevator, please send it back to the ground floor. It will make the they can find the error quicker if it has an error.
Yeah.
But it seems to be fucking fine right now. Just a bit creaky.
Yeah.
A little.
Tarkastettu kiva inspector and huolettu Otiksen tulee Graptiksen toimesta.
Inspected by kiva inspector maintained by Otis, so no discretis.
One note is not because somebody's coming.
Yeah.